Hello, second grade friends. We are actually doing 2 lessons today because the digraphs are very similar. So we will have a little longer of a lesson today, but that's okay. I know you can do it. So we are actually going to start with our spelling and high frequency word practice number 61. So I want you to echo the sounds and then write the letters that make the sounds. Number 1. S, final, SS. Number 2, digraph TH. Number 3, O. O, consonant E, comma O, final digraph OW. Number 4, dole. Final stable syllable, DLE. Number 5, U. U, consonant E, comma U. Number 6, V. V, final VE. Number 7, Ch. Digraph CH. Number 8, digraph OO. And number 9, I. I, consonant E, comma I, final Y. Let's spell some review words. Number 10 is pass. P-A-S-S, pass. Number 11, harm. H-A-R-M. And number 12, fake. F-A-K-E, fake. And now let's practice spelling some sight words. Number 13, done. D-O-N-E, done. Number 14, every. E-V-E-R-Y. And number 15, many. M-A-N-Y, many. The sentence we will write today is, check the room and see if it is clean. So start with the capital letter. Check is C-H-E-C-K. Make sure you leave spaces in between. The room and see if it is clean. Period at the end. Check the room and see if it is clean. So you can set your worksheet aside for a minute. Listen to these words and see if you can tell which sound is the same. Mail, train, faint. Which sound do you hear? A. Look at the words on my board. Mail, train, faint. What 2 letters are making the A sound? AI. This is a digraph. How do we code digraphs? We underline them. So digraph AI, digraph AI, and digraph AI. Which letter in the digraph is making the sound? Right, the A. It's making the long sound. So we will code the A with a macron. What about the I? Is it making a sound? No, it's silent. So we're going to cross out the I. So Digraph AI says A, male, train, faint. Very good. So let's go to our spelling and high frequency word practice page, the next page. We are going to practice writing some words with Digraph AI. On number 1, let's write the word rain. Rain. R-A-I-N. Number 2 is wait. W-A-I-T. Wait. And number 3, paint. P-A-I-N-T. Paint. As always, practice reading and spelling your high frequency words. Choose one from each column to write a sentence on the lines. Let's practice coding with Digraph AI on worksheet number 61. Number 1 has Digraph AI. Underline the digraph. The A gets a macron, the I needs crossed out. Can you read number 1? Nail. Nail. That matches with a picture. Number 2, what do you see? Right, diphthong O-U. That O-U says ow. Sprout. Sprout. On number 3, we have digraph O-W, because if it was a diphthong, it would say blow. We don't want it to say blow, we want it to say blow, which means the O will get the macron and the W is silent. Blow. Blow. Now, if we coded number 4 the same, this would say done. Does that sound right? No, this time we want the OW to say ow, so we will put an arc. It is a diphthong. Down. Number 5 has combination QU, put an arc underneath, and again, Digraph AI. The A is making the sound, the I is silent. Can you read number 5? Quail. Quail. Very good. And number 6, final stable syllable, P-L-E, bracket, cross out the final E, and accent mark. The A is getting coded with a brevy this time because there is a consonant following. This word is trample. Trample. Let's read the sentences together at the bottom of the page. Jan likes to have her hair braided. She asked Sandy to teach her how to braid. Sandy showed her each step as Jan worked on her own long brown hair. The long braid looked pretty on Jan. Jan was proud of the braid she made in her hair. Number 7, what did Jan make in her hair? What did she make in her hair? A braid. Very good. Braid has that Digraph AI. A braid. How did Jan feel with the braid? Did she feel ugly, proud, or little? Yeah, she felt proud of the braid. And number 9, Jan likes to have a braid in her hair. Yes or no? Yeah, she does. She said she was proud and she felt pretty. Yes. For the homework page, I will tell you how many codes you need on each word. Number 1 needs 3 codes. Number 2 has 3. Number 3 has 1. Number 4 has 4. Number 5 has 1. And number 6 has 4. So 3, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4. Okay. So as I said, we are going to do 2 lessons today. So join me for the next page, Spelling and High Frequency Word Practice 62. We are just going to start off with some review words. So spell these words with me. Number 1 is milky. Milky. M-I-L-K-Y. Milky. Number 2, reach. Reach. R-E-A-C-H. And number 3, round. Round. R-O-U-N-D. Round. We will practice spelling some sight words. Number 4 is none. None. N-O-N-E. Number 5 is only. O-N-L-Y. Only. And number 6 is people. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Again, you can set this aside for a few minutes. Echo these words and tell me what sound you hear that is the same in each word. Tray. Stay. May. What sound do you hear that's the same? The A sound. We just talked about Digraph AI, but look at these words. Tray, stay, may. What 2 letters are making the A sound in these words? A-Y. This is another digraph. We underline digraphs, so Digraph AY. This digraph is at the end of the word, so we are going to add this to our spelling responses. But to code Digraph AY, we underline the digraph, and which letter is making the sound? The A. The A is saying A, so we will put a macron above the A. Is the Y making a sound? No, we will cross it out. Tray, stay, may. So underline the digraph, macron above the A, cross out the silent Y. So let's go back to our practice page. And on number 7, we are going to write the letters that say A. So before we knew A, consonant E, comma A, and now we are adding final Digraph AY. We aren't going to add the Digraph AI, but we will add the final AY. So let's practice spelling some words with Digraph AY. Number 8 is day. D-A-Y, day. Number 9, play. Play. P-L-A-Y. And number 10, stay. S-T-A-Y. Stay. Practice reading your words in the box. And again, we will do a few more words with coding, and then you can start on your homework pages. All right, so number 1, I see Digraph AY. Underline the digraph, The A is making the long sound. The Y is silent. Can you read number 1? Stay. Stay. Number 2 has a digraph. Digraph AI. Again, the A is making the A sound. It needs a macron. Cross out the I. Jail. Jail. There is a picture that goes with jail. On number 3, I see OU. So this could be a digraph saying O, shoat, or it can be a diphthong to say ow. Shout. Right, so we are going to put an arc underneath the OU. On number 4, digraph AY needs underlined. Macron above the A, cross out the final Y. Clay is number 4. Clay. Number 5 has a digraph. Which digraph is in number 5? EE, underline the digraph. The first E is making the E sound, the second E is not. Sweet. Sweet. And number 6, we have OW. So this could say O or ow. Tone or town. This one is going to say town. So we'll put a arc underneath the OW. Town. Let's read the sentences and answer the questions. We know that moldy hay is not good for a horse. If the horse eats it, it can make the horse sick. Last week, it rained for 3 days. The hay got wet and could mold, so we will not feed it to our horse. So number 7, what got wet? The horse, the hay, or the mold? What got wet? Right, it says the hay got wet. The hay got wet. And what could happen to the hay? When the hay got wet, it could mold. The hay could mold. And number 9, moldy hay is good for horses. No, moldy hay is not good. It can make the horse sick. No, it is not good. All right, on your homework page, let's write down the numbers of codes. So number 1, 3. Number 2 has 3 codes. Number 3 has 1. Number 4 has 3. Number 5 has 1. And number 6 has 3. 3, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. So you do have 2 homework sheets today, but I know you can do it.